What if I told you Saturn's famous rings might be the remains of a dead moon? For decades, scientists thought the rings formed when the solar system was born. But new research suggests a giant icy moon may have wandered too close to Saturn. Its powerful gravity ripped the moon apart into billions of pieces. Those frozen fragments spread out and began orbiting the planet, creating the breathtaking rings we see today. And here's the crazy part. Saturn's rings may disappear in just 100 million years, so we're alive at one of the only times in cosmic history to witness them. Pretty incredible, right?